Hi guys, welcome back to my channel at bizyjoe.com. So today I'll be guiding you through on how to create a Facebook business page. So Facebook business page is a page offered by Facebook for businesses. So if you own a business, if you want to promote your brand, you can open a Facebook business page. And business page is different from normal Facebook page. So if you just go to facebook.com and sign up, we are opening a Facebook user page, and that is a different from business page. User page, you can just have only 5,000 friends. So once you have reached that limit of 5,000 friends, you can no longer have friends, but you can also have followers. People can follow you, but you cannot add them as friends. So they have a friend limit. But if you open a Facebook business page, you can have as many followers, as many page like, and so on. And you can use your Facebook business page to run ads on Facebook. While your user, you cannot use that your Facebook user page to run ad. So this Facebook page is very essential for businesses, even for personal. So it's very good as you have a Facebook user page, your Facebook account. Also open a Facebook business page for your own self. You can open it for your with your name or anything. You can even monetize it and start making money from Facebook. So you can not make money from your Facebook user account, but you can make money from Facebook business page. So you can open a Facebook business page and monetize it once you reach the requirement, and you start Facebook will start paying you. So it's very shameful that some of you don't know that Facebook pays some people. So and Facebook can pay you. That's it. That's the truth. Facebook can actually pay you. So you can start making money using your Facebook page, but not your Facebook user account. So I will guide you through on how to set it up. And on my next video, I will show you how to promote your Facebook page. So many ways through which you can promote Facebook page. And if today is your first time of visiting my channel, bizyjoe.com, as you can see on Bizyjoe Technology, you offer some great services such as web design, app design, SMM, that's social media marketing, graphic design, SEO, that's social media optimization, web development, business branding, SMM, SEM, and training, and so lot of that. So you can contact us today for any of these services above. So we can be your plug, and you can also refer us, and you get a commission for 20% for any customer you refer to Bizyjoe Technology. You get a commission, so you get your bag. So you can also see on our YouTube channel, Bizyjoe TV, we also have so many interesting videos that you can lay your hand up. So once you go to YouTube channel, just search Bizyjoe. We are not competing with anybody. Once you search Bizyjoe on YouTube, your channel will pop up. So you can watch some of our great content on bizyjoe.com and share it with your friends. So let's get started on how to create a Facebook business page. So I'll be using this particular Facebook account for the purpose. So if you are first time of using Facebook, just go to Facebook and just go to your browser and search www dot, but I will drop in the link on the description box below, dot facebook.com. Yeah, if you search for this facebook.com, it will still open Facebook. Then if you also search FB, just on your browser, just search fb.com. These are all Facebook address. Instead of typing facebook.com, like writing it in full, you can just type FB. If you also type fb.com, it will also redirect you to Facebook homepage. So these are all Facebook web address. So once you reach there, once you are here, then these are your Facebook user page. Once you create a Facebook account, this is the user page that you are going to have, where you can see your friends, you can add your friends, maybe invite people to follow you, to add friends and all that. This Facebook page, this is your Facebook user page, and this page can only allow you to chat with your friends just for social purposes, but for business purposes you need to have a Facebook page, business page. And you must not have a business for you to open a business page. Bear it in mind, you must not have a business. No, you can open a Facebook business page for yourself. Yeah, you can open it for yourself. You don't need to have a business, maybe a physical business or anything. No, you can just open it for yourself and start branding your name. Start branding your name for the future, because this takes a lot of time to grow a Facebook page. It's not something that you open today and tomorrow you get 1 million followers on your Facebook page. No, it takes time. So the earlier you start, you can just create it and leave it. You can even sell it. You can sell your Facebook page. So you can just create it and leave it. In next year, because people will need old Facebook pages. You understand? So if you want to create a Facebook page, what you need to do, just depending on your own browser, you can come here and go to menu. Once you go to menu, you see pages. You can see events. So go to pages, click on pages. So once you click on pages, then you see suggested for you. These are some pages that Facebook suggests for you. So this is my page. This is your technology. So then you go to page. Just go to create new page. So once you go to, it's very easy, very simple. Facebook have made a lot of things very easy for us. So, but we'll be going in detail. We'll be going in detail. First of all, you choose a name for your Facebook. So, if you are branding your name, want to create a Facebook page for your name or for your business or for anything, or for your comedy or for your skill or for anything, maybe you have a skill, want to promote your skill, you're a comedian, you're an artist or all that, you need a Facebook page, because you can have unlimited number of followers. You understand? Unlike your user page where you have a limited number of people, like 5,000 people. So then, let me use Bizyjoe. Let me use Bizyjoe skill. Let me Bizyjoe skills. Yeah, just for the people. So you choose the category. So this category is, let's say, is tech. Is technology, that's information and technology. So any page you are creating, the category is always there. So you can choose another category for it. So then the bio. What is this your page all about? Just the bio. So you can say this this page is for tech and tech related informations and so on. So information, no. So you can, this page is for tech and tech related information. So this thing you can always change this. So you can always edit this. So you can see create page. So Facebook have made it very simple and easy to create page nowadays. Unlike before, in the past few years, to create a page, you need to fill so many form to create a page. Your skill was clear. As you can see, we have already created a page for our, that's Bizyjoe skills. So, but there are other things that you need to add. So, finish setting up your page. So, the first thing is your contact website. If you don't have a website, this, remember, we have already created our page. Our page is Bizyjoe skills. If you don't have a website, no, don't add anything there. But if you have a website, good. But if you need a website, as you can see, we also create a website. I will give you a discount, 50% discount on any website that you need. I'll just create a website for you for your business. So you can just, if you don't have any website, leave it blank. But if you have a website, you put it there. Or if you want to promote any other, maybe your TikTok user page, you want to promote it, or your Twitter user page, any page that you want to promote, you can just come here, just go and copy the link. Let's assume that you don't have a website, but you have, maybe you want to promote your Instagram bio. What you do is just go to Instagram and copy the link. Let's assume that this is the link. Let's assume that you just go and copy the link. So you copy the link, you come back and just paste the link. So this particular link will be the link to your bio. Maybe you want to add that instead of leaving the website blank. So one is just so any of your bio, maybe Twitter bio, Instagram bio, Pinterest bio, TikTok bio. So any other social media platform, even LinkedIn, You can just go and copy your bio, like your bio, your particular page, and come and put it here. So you can add, then you add your phone number. So was okay. So they say the phone number provided must be okay. So what I need to do, I need to add my country code. Let me add +234. Then I will remove the first zero. So as you can see, so email address, you put your email address. So let me use this particular email. Uh, if you don't have email, you can go and create email. But before you open your Facebook account, you must have email. So address, you just put your address. So this just to fill form. Then city is Enugu. Then Enugu, Nigeria. Then postal code is 400-211. If you don't know your postal code, just go to Google. Just go to Google and search for postal code. If you don't know your postal code for your address, just that city you are staying in, just go to Google and search postal code for that particular city or that particular area you are staying in. Just go to Google and postal code for, as you can see, we have Port Harcourt, you have Nigeria. So your city maybe Enugu. If you go there, if you search for a postal code, then Google will show you the list of postal codes in Enugu if you are staying in Enugu or any other city you are staying in. So the next thing to do is just your hour, your working hour. Depend if you have a physical business, then you're supposed to have a working hour. Maybe your business opens from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. or 6 p.m. as the case may be. But if you're an online like me, so no available, or you are always open. If you are online, if you stay online, if your business is online, then you are always open. But if you have a physical this thing, you can select your own. You can just select hour. If you have a physical business that opens, then you can choose from Monday you open at, let's say, 8. uh this 8. Okay. Then closing time, that should be PM. So you also select maybe this 16, that's 4, 16 is 4. You close at 4. Then you also choose for all the days. So that after everything, just save it. But if you are staying online, just use it always open. Then you click on next. So after that, it's coming up. It's coming up. So as you can see, our page is getting interesting. Our page, as you can see, we already have our page setup, information, and all that. So the next thing is to add a picture. As you can see, customize your page. You need to add two pictures. The first one is to add a profile picture, then the second one is to add a cover picture. So these things are very simple. So you can go to Canva. I already have a video on my channel. I already have a video. Just go to my channel. Then you can see Canva. I already have a video on how to design even Facebook profile picture, display picture using Canva. So what you need to do, just go this particular video, how to get Canva Pro for free. Then I also have other Canva tutorial. I have a playlist on Canva. So you can go and watch that and see how you can do any graphic design on Canva. So it's just coming up. It's just coming up. So this is the Canva tutorial. As you can see, I have two videos on Canva tutorial. So you can go and watch this particular video on Canva tutorials and know how to get your designs from there. So I will just upload a picture here. So let me just click on add. So I will go to my computer. Let me go to files. So I'll just select any particular picture of my choice and use it for this particular tutorial or training. So what I need to do is, let me go. I don't have. Okay, let me use this particular. Okay, let me go to my personal. Uh, Let me use this. Okay, no. Okay, let me use this for the purpose of this training. So it's coming up. So let me also add, and let me also use this also. Okay, let me go to download and find another picture that is okay. Okay, let me use this. Okay, let me use this. I think it will be more better. So as you can see, I already have a display and all that. Then I can add a action button. So I can add an action button, and this action button I can customize it. But I will do that one later. As you can see, you can do this after you have verified your email. So let me go to next. We are making progress. So let me go, and so the next step on this particular page creation is to invite your friends. As you can see, this particular page, we don't have any, as you can see, we have 0 followers. We don't have any people on this page. So it's just to, by default, Facebook will show you a list of friends that you have on your particular Facebook account. So as you can see, it's telling me to invite my friend. Just click on invite. So what I need to do is just to highlight all these people. I will need to invite them, because the more people you invite to your page, the more you grow your page. So you first of all invite your the people you know. You understand? You invite your friends. That what, then just send them invitation. So Facebook will automatically send invitation to all these people. Once they see it, they can decide to like your page or follow your page. Then they will start seeing any updates on that particular page. So then after that, next, so stay informed about this. So then click on done. So as you can see, we have actually completed the step of creating a Facebook page from the beginning to the end. We have actually successfully created a Facebook page for Bizyjoe skill. So you can do this. Just go to your Facebook and start to create page immediately. So this is Facebook. So I don't need this. So as you can see, this is our page. This is our page. So if you want to add, maybe add posts, the page health is very good. Just if you want to add page, what you need to do is also click on this. So done. Anyone that, so let's put it to be done. So we can add welcome, welcome to Bizyjoe skills. Wow. So this, I can just publish this particular post. So as you can see, I've just published this particular post. Welcome to Bizyjoe skill. So and from our start, you can see we have 0 like and 0 followers. So on my next video, I'll be showing you and guiding you how to promote your page and get massive followers and like on your Facebook page. So that's the next video I'll be creating. So do well to also check that video on my YouTube channel at bizyjoe.com. So if you find any usefulness or value in this particular training, please do well to share this particular video with your friends and family, and always remember to subscribe to my channel at bizyjoe.com. So thanks for watching this video.